Welcome, space enthusiasts, to another cosmic adventure. Today, we're diving into the depths of our solar system to explore two mysterious wanderers, asteroids and comets. We're about to uncover the astonishing stories of asteroids and comets right here. Let's blast off. Asteroids are made up of carbon, rock, and metal. Asteroids orbit the Sun. Asteroids are found mostly between Jupiter and Mars. This is called the asteroid belt. Asteroids are sometimes called minor planets. However, they are not true planets. Asteroids are usually irregularly shaped. Asteroids usually have pits and craters. Asteroids do not have a tail or coma like a comet. Comets are made up of ice, rocks, and dust. Comets can be seen from Earth. Comets orbit the Sun. A comet's orbit can take anywhere from a few years to thousands of years to complete. Most comets have an elliptical or oval-shaped orbit. Most comets are round in shape. A comet can be a few miles to tens of miles wide. Comets have a nucleus, coma, and tail. The coma surrounds the center or nucleus of the comet. Comets are made up of ice and dust. The tail is made up of gas and dust. This is the trail the comet leaves behind. Halley's Comet is one of the best-known comets. It is named after the English astronomer Edmund Halley. It can be seen from Earth every 26 to 79 years. Let's see parts of a comet, which are the nucleus, coma, and tail. A creepy, skull-shaped asteroid flew past Earth. It had lost its ice and dust tail from flying too close to the Sun. It might look different though. Asteroids sometimes crash into other objects, changing their size and shape. After this year, it won't be back until 2082. Scientists can predict, often to the exact day, when asteroids will appear in the sky. This is because asteroids orbit the Sun. They're pulled by gravity, so they circle the Sun in a regular orbit. Gravity is the force which pulls objects towards each other. Because the Earth is so large, it pulls objects to enter. That's why we don't float off into space. All the planets in the solar system are pulled by the Sun's gravity. This means that they orbit the Sun. What do asteroids and comets orbit? Answer is Sun. An asteroid has a tail? No, it's false. Asteroids don't have tails. What is made up of ice, rocks, and dust? Yes, it's a comet. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.